Welcome to Brampton Old Graveyard. Some old graves in here, gravestones, and some tidy ones. Now look at that. And yeah, there's graves in here till the 1600s. Look at that, that's fancy, that. Can't get the dates off them ones because that's tidy.
I thought we had a deer and taking it was a pheasant. Spook.
Yeah, the church dates back from I think 1150.
1150 the church goes back roughly. We went around then like. There's another fancy one, all hand carved and all. Way up. Now worse where you hear noise when you walk through a graveyard is like tombs there, aren't they? There's a pheasant. What's this here? Hard to see the dates there. 1821, April the 29th, 1821. Aged, can't see. John's disappeared.
Try to read a date, but no, it's not.
No.
Yeah, I think it's this one around here, the old grave.
Cause that's for an old building. It's even got the bell still on the top. I wonder if any of these are you a fisherman.
Wouldn't doubt it. Yeah, it's one of these. Sure it is.
Cool windows.
That's 1869.
1869, age 53-year-old. In memory of William Brown. Died of his. Can't really see. Oh, yup, there's one way faced the wrong way. Oh, I bet that weighs a ton. William Atkinson. 1686.
That's the one.
Wow.
I thought there was one about that age. Put a bit of light on for you.
There we go. That's amazing, that, isn't it? So obviously our road's right all the way down, but it's gone off over the. Do you know what? That'd be like 300 years before I was born, I think.
Yeah, 600, 1800. Yeah, 300.
Aye.
Yeah, 300 something, yeah.
I was born in 86.
Oh, that's
1986.
Yeah, 60s.
So when he was croaking it, I was nowhere to be thought of. I mean, look at that, look at the work. I've been down the pit.
Your granddad's dad.
Ah, yeah. Great grandfather's grandfather. 1820, age 73-year-old. Wow. I mean, these aren't just any riffraff, are they? These have got lower to be getting buried like this. (1858). Can't see that one. Age 16-year-old. It's hardly going off. $18.50. Jesus Christ, like. Hasn't got a date on that one. 20-year-old dying. Infection and anything. But aye, what a place. Really old building. That one there's all come away now. But yeah, proper old building. Still got its cross on the roof. And 1856. Bestie. Oh, what's these on here? Can't really see the date. Oh, they're 1835, 33. Oh well, that was Brampton Church. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe.